Listen, the moment to sit back and hope things will just sort themselves out in private markets is over. Founders, investors, leaders, this isn't just about money. It's about control, power, and survival in a landscape flipped upside down by sovereign wealth funds that aren't playing by the old rules. If you're feeling that gut pain, the way deals stretch longer, valuations swing wild, and your once clear path to growth gets cluttered, that frustration is real, and it's coming from a shift you can't ignore. These sovereign giants, massive state-run pools of capital, have started rewriting the playbook. They don't just show up quietly. They throw the market into disarray by making moves so big and opaque that you're left grappling to keep up. You're faced with a brutal question every day. How do you push forward when they buy entire portfolios, control pricing, and hold the strings to exits you once thought were yours? You might feel stuck, sidelined, or just plain screwed by their scale and patience. That slow, deep pressure on your deal flow and your ability to lock in profits. It's choking the life out of so many private equity strategies. But here's the brutal truth you need to hear. Whining won't fix anything. You need to flip the script, and fast. First, stop looking at sovereign wealth funds as just another competitor. They're more like the new market makers, the ones who set the tempo now. So, what do? Get smarter, faster, and way more strategic. Start winning by building direct relationships, not only with them, but with their advisors and gatekeepers. If you're not in those rooms early, you're invisible. That means being relentless in tracking their investment theses, understanding what drives their decision-making, and tailoring your deals to give them what they want before they even ask. Next, reconsider your portfolio focus. Sovereign funds love scale and stability, but they're also hunting real innovation, especially where governments want long-term impact. Lean into sectors where they have strategic interests, like infrastructure, tech modernization, and energy transition. Don't just chase the safe bets you think work. Go after the opportunities that align with their state agendas, and you'll start to unlock capital that most people aren't even aware exists. You're not just chasing money. You're playing a game of influence and alignment at a level many founders and funds avoid because it's messy. But here's the kicker. That mess is where you get edge. Also, don't underestimate the power of co-investments and partnerships. Sovereign wealth funds want to spread risk, but they also want trusted allies. If you can position yourself as a dependable co-investor who understands their mindset, that opens doors to deals you'd never access alone. This isn't hand-holding, it's hard-nosed business. You need to prove your worth through transparency, speed, and a track record of execution that few match. Show them you're not just another seller, but a partner who moves markets and delivers returns under their microscope. Finally, control your own process. Sovereign wealth funds can slow down timelines or push valuations to points that kill deals for others. You must master deal discipline, knowing when to push back and when to walk away. Remember this: capital flows to those who act with conviction, and not because they're desperate. Set your boundaries. Funnel your energy into opportunities where your terms hold, where you can actually build, grow, and exit on your terms. If you're bending every time the big guys blink, you lose your muscle. And with that, your chance at real freedom in this space disappears. This market isn't waiting for the faint-hearted or the ones who hope things will get better. Sovereign wealth funds are here. They're reshaping everything. And if you don't become the smart, connected, fearless operator who understands exactly how to work with and around them, you will drown in noise and lost deals. It's time to get ruthless with your strategy, laser-focused with your partnerships, and relentless in your execution, because this is the new reality, and ignoring it costs you more than money. It costs your future. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.